Welcome back to the Scene World channel for another retro unboxing, which is going to start with a quick history lesson. How many of you remember the 2003 album Sidologie by Marcel Donné? This is an album of Commodore 64 remixes done in the style of Jean-Michel Jarre. And what makes it particularly authentic sounding is that Marcel actually tracked down one of the original keyboards that Jarre himself used in the compositions of Oxygen and Equinox. And so he then tackled several famous Commodore 64 tunes: the Rambo Loader, Light Force, Bombo, Cobra, Yeah Kung Fu, Knucklebusters, Whizball High Score, Miami Vice, In Game Theme, Nemesis, and the Rambo High Score, linked with a Sidologie intro. And he actually performed some of these tracks live at retro events. So that was then, and this is now. After a successful Kickstarter campaign, we have the new Project Sidologie box set. Here we have a Galway and Hubbard Sidologie coaster. And just to keep you up to date with some other Commodore 64 happenings, Project Hubbard from C6 Audio, with new Rob Hubbard's music, Reformation, Matt Gray's remix albums, Cytronic Software continuing to release new games to the 64, and the 8-Bit Symphony happening in June 2019, which I will be attending. So, Project Sidologie. As you can see, fantastic cover artwork by Trevor Story. 7 audio CDs and a surround sound DVD available in this box set. So Sidologie 12 to 26 is the sequel to the original Sidologie. Magnetic Fields is an album full of Martin Galway. Rendezvous is Rob Hubbard. Waiting for Sid, a collection of remixes in show style. Chariots of Sid, Encore, and then Surroundings, the surround sound mixes. So let's take out some of these amazing CDs. So to start off with Sidologie 12 to 26. As you can see, I have this one signed. And so when you start off with Shadow Skimmer, Robocop, Rockbuster, Rimrunner, Storm Warrior, Implosion, Dutch Breeze, Mutant Tune 2, Dominion Amyloid, Enigma Force, Trickbag, Never Die, Gem-X, and the LED Storm High Score. It's Marcel himself on the artwork. Magnetic Fields. This too is Rambo Loader, Arcanide High Score, Pro Soccer Indoors, Miami Vice in Game, Game Over, Yeah Kung Fu, Parallax, Green Beret Loader, Whizball Bonus Link, Whizball High Score, which Martin obviously composed for Sensible Software, Microprose Rumba, and the last Rumba. Next up we have Project Sidologie Rendezvous. And as you can see here, once again we have a signed copy here, Rob Hubbard. So Sanquinox, Saxon vs Equinox, Crazy Bangkok Mega Comet Knights Apocalypse, mix of several themes there, Phantoms the Asteroid, Shockwave Rider, particular favourite of mine, Knucklebusters, Joey the Germ Calypso, Jet Set Willy, Casio Synth Sample Free, one of Rob's earliest tunes, and will be appearing again on as Casio 80 on Project Hubbard. Light Force, One Man is Droid, and Rob himself formed on Comets and Casio. So, then we have Waiting for Sid, signed by Matt Gray. Rambo Title, Tetris, The Wilderness, Last Ninja, Parallax Stroll, I like that tune, from When You Leave the Spaceship in Parallax, Delta Victory, Hunter's Moon Title, one of Matt's classics, Ghouls and Ghosts, Tim Follin, amazing tune, Driller, and the Parallax Goblin. So next up, and signed once again, we have Alistair Brimble on the Remixes album. Sidologie, Chronology 4, Dervish D, Green Beret, Ethnic title, so Ethnic Colour plus Green Beret, Oxytris, Rendezvous 4, Ocean Rider 2, Blade Runner End titles, Popcorn Sid vs VST, Point Express, Panther Machine, Shades, the Jarre remake, Zuduk, and Blade Runner main titles. Chariots of Sid, Chariots of Hypersports, Ocean Rider 2, Armageddon Man, Times of Law, Nemelink, Panther, Sweet, Thanatos, Cobra, Storm, Nia Kung Fu 2, Brooding, Monty on the Run high score, Nemesis the Warlock, Commodore high score, and Stationary Arc. We're nearly there. So then, Encore, which is home to tracks that didn't fit into the others. So Martin Walker, Black Lamp from Tin Follin, very underrated tune that one. Jet Set Willy, version 2, Rob Hubbard. Demonic by Neil Demon Baldwin, Helicopter Jacked by Martin Galway, Impeding Ending Marcel Donné, Off Wheels Zone Monte, Rob Hubbard and Ben Dalglish, A Bit of Trap, Ben Dalglish, Beyond the Ice Palace and BMX Simulator by David Whittaker, Terra Cresta from Galway again, Crystal Link, Marcel Donné, Spellbound, Goblink, Heroes of the Arts, Crack Out, very crazy tune, Body Slam, Scumball, Breakthrough and Alt Enigma Force. And you see, produced and performed by Marcel Donné, mastered by Alistair Brimble, art by Trevor Story and Damien Manning, and the assistant producers. So, all these CDs with the audio mix, and then finally Surroundings, which contains the surround sound DVD containing complete surround sound mixes of 5 of the albums. So it's been quite a wait for this final set of CDs to emerge. I am looking forward to hearing it, having heard some of the previews. Don't forget to check out more from c64audio.com, including the aforementioned Project Hubbard, the forthcoming Symphony 64 to accompany the concert, and loads more. Keep watching the Scenord channel for more unboxing videos.